Mr. Paradise, Pickin' Paradise, and we've got Richard Baxter, which is his Reddit handle is Taboo Noise. This challenge lock in here, and this is unwrapping and a challenge lock pick straight out of the package. It's been sitting here for, I don't know, maybe a week and a half. Just getting around to it. So let's see what we've got in store for us and see if we can't get this thing picked open. Oh, okay, standard like Schlage kick cylinder, and it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pins. First pin's got some serrations on there. I can kind of see that already, and it looks like a fairly long one, so I don't think we're going to want to touch that first one. That's probably a no lift. One of my challenge locks, I had a celebratory 2 fingers of whiskey for afterwards. We're not playing that game. It's Friday. It's gonna need some along the way. And yeah, if I get it open, then yeah, it'll be a celebratory 2 fingers. If I don't, then it'll be a wash my sorrows away. Wash my sorrows away. Hey, get down from there, boy. My dog was up on the cutting board trying to eat something tasty out there. All right, so 50 thousandths, Peterson. Yep, she's gonna fit just nice. Let me make sure I didn't get those mixed up. Yep, that's my 50. And let's go to a go-to custom file pin here. Peterson's down to 17 thousandths here. Hook 4. Man, it is so darn, like, the lighting sucks so bad for you guys. There we go. That might be about the best I can get right now. That's a little bit better. So, yeah, enjoy the ride, guys. I'm going to shut up and start picking if I can get the angle on this thing right. There we go. I like that angle. I like that a lot. I don't know why. I know that first one's probably no lifter, and I went right for it. I was going to lift it. Feels like something wants to lift again. And one's giving me feedback, but I'm going to ignore it. Take what you know. Yep, go back to 1, I guess. A couple little clicky doos, a little counter rotation here. That was some binding on like 4-ish. Whatever pin I'm playing with, I'm definitely dropping some others to mess with it. I don't know if it's a gatekeeper or not, but it is really low. Pretty hard binding. Okay, got that one set. Got it set or overset, one or the other. I think I overset. So that was a and no lift. Okay, I think I dropped it back down. Got a little core rotation there. I thought he was actually requiring me to make a video, but he said he wasn't. He said as long as there is a video eventually. I thought he was requesting a unboxing or like video of like when I got it, like I am doing. But he said as long as there's a video, and he just kind of wants to know how it picks, so he's really interested in it. So far it's pretty fun. There's a lot of things going on. I feel like I shouldn't be touching this pin again. Go something not as steep so I can get underneath it better. Oh, that's a lot better. Hey, easy. Oh, right there was something near the beginning. What was it? Definitely an overset there. Dropped it back down. Got to click for core rotation. Deeper false set. I'm getting core rotation right at a high lift pin. I hope that's something. Deeper false set. I'm gonna need to float it. A lot of guys already have their floating picks or floating tensioners like all set up. I do not, and I should have. And I should have. So far, it's a really fun pick. I think I'm close right now, but I've been way wrong before. I need a wider one. I got a wide one in here somewhere. I've done 0 picking today. This is the first pick. So hopefully. Oh, geez. Did you guys see how much I just rotated that core back? Let's get back in there and see what I messed up by doing that. Oh, kick move back. That hook is just a little too steep. Different weapon. just resetting. Definitely had something to do with pin 4 or 5. Man, that pick, I don't know. That is flimsy. Okay. I was being a little bit more gentle with it earlier. Now I'm kind of getting a little bit more aggressive, so that's fatigue and frustration, and that was pretty darn close earlier. That's nothing right there, so just reset that. All the way in the back. I think it said as I push it underneath. this overset too, I think. Boom! Chee-hoo-hoo-hoo. Not bad. Boom, I get to celebrate it. It's a really fun pick. Taboo Noise. Nose. I like the nose on the whiskey. It's a really fun pick. And I'm so glad that you sent it to me. I'm glad that I got to pick it. I'm glad that it did not defeat me. I think after I kind of got some stuff figured out, it was maybe like a total pick time was maybe around 20 minutes or so. And I think that after I kind of figured some things out, it gave it up within 3 or 5 minutes of a, what do you call it? Of a, what do you call that? Of a reset. So cool. Stoked, man. All right, let's see what we got here. Okay, it's one of these cores, so I've got to, oh, I guess let's open up the key. Let's see what the key is gonna show us. I should have like a razor or something nearby. I shouldn't be doing that with my pig. And I don't know if it was, I guess it was wishful thinking that I have the actual gutting tools and stuff right here, my gutting case near me. So yeah, man, I'm pretty stoked because it's the first lock I picked today. I was actually going to warm up a little bit, and I was like, you know what, I'm just procrastinating. So, oh, nice, not that bad of a bidding. I think it looks like it's a factory cut, you know, so he just got clever with the pinning on it, which is really good. Let's see if we can get a background. Yeah, there you go. So it looks like one was actually there, but then two was a zero lift or near it. And then we had a high 3, a little bit of a lower 4, a high 5, which is what I was really working on in that 6th pin. So pretty cool. Let's see these pins, man. Let's do it. Let's get to it. Do it. Get to it. Okay. And we'll hopefully, you know what I need to do? I need to get one of those fancy little tools that unscrews the backs of these. Fancy tools. Alexa, play some Dead Weather. All right.
Shuffling songs
by the Dead Weather
on Amazon Music.
On Amazon Music. Alexa, volume down. All right. Let's see here. I love you so much. I've been told that I have a voice of an angel. Maybe it may have meant the angel of death. Thinking we're good with no shim here. It's a pretty stupid thing to do. You know what with challenge locks, you should always put a shim. Let's grab one. Alexa, volume down. You're disturbing the viewers. I make them nervous. I'm gutting this lock right now. Come on, shim. Do was ask. Who was that that wears the mask? Okay, so I got the shim in there. I don't think the shim is really needed anymore. Shake your hips like battleships. And one. Nice little like mushroomed key pin. Two looks like a serrated, some nice deep serrations. Let's see. Pin 3 was a nice deep serrated. Really nice looking pins, man. Yeah. Double serrated, another single serrated, not quite as deep. So the top diameter is a little reduced there. I actually like that technique. Nice job, man. Yes, and this one, the top diameter is really reduced, kind of spooled and serrated. So those make for some pretty challenging that's the key pins. Come on now. Get you guys another. Oh man. Oh, okay, I think I just took a photo. Shoo! Come on. What's going on here, Mr. Camera? Okay. All right, now for the insides, what really kind of matters here. Thanks for bearing with me here through this 30-minute video. All right, a little notch in the front is the front, so we got to take note of that. Oh man, nice, really nice. Pin 1, and this is the orientation right there. Wait, hold on. So this is, I think, a common mistake here. So this is the part that's on the spring. So I definitely, showing it to you guys, want to rotate them up like that, and then also get them back into the same order. Especially with like spools like this, you know, he's put the serrated parts to where it's going to catch down, and the big fat part up in the Bible. Oh, son of a... Wah, 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 wah. Oh man, a little sip here in between. Oh. Okay, was that... I didn't lose it. I got it. But... Oh, nice little pin and pin. Little pin and pin. Very nice work, man. Very, very good. I was going to try one the other day, and I just thought it was just no good. And I'm imagining that we're going to want the small part down. That's what I think I kind of seen up. Oh, come on now. I don't know if I'll get that to be able to sit on its side. With as shallow as that is, though, and I kind of think I remember feeling that a little bit, it may actually act as a it may actually act as a wafer or something. It may, that bottom part might actually get caught in the shear. Nice little barrel spool, serrated in the middle. Mean, very nice work, dude. I thought I made good pins. These are beautiful, man. Good job. I mean, I put a lot of time into my first challenge lock. because it was going to Mr. Den's brass. I think he'll be able to pick it. Beautiful work, man. Beautiful work here. I'm gonna pull these, I gotta grab a little bitty pick. I'm gonna pull these springs so we can see it all. Thanks for hanging in there, guys, for the long video, and I apologize, but you know, I'm just being a little meticulous and patient when I'm disassembling this lock. You don't wanna go in all ta-ta. It's never a good idea. And Mr. Baxter here, he definitely put some time and energy into this, and I'm gonna be respectful of that and get it right and not muck up his art. Do appreciate it. I'm glad I got to be the first one to pick it, I think. Wow. I got some cats out there fighting. My dogs are gonna go for them. Oh, that's all magnetized. Well, I said they were fighting, but now it sounds like those cats are mating. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but those cats are going at it. Yeah, those cats will make a pretty grave mistake if they get around my puppy. He wouldn't know what to do with them besides chew them to death. These are all looking like standard pins here. This is the T-pin might be a different length. So this is it, boys. Hey, no! You stay right there. George, buddy, get over here. Sorry, guys. All right, well, I think that tells you guys what we got here. Beautiful pins, thanks. Time to drink a little bit more whiskey and listen to some music and hang out with the dogs. Listen to these cats mate or fight. Aloha. Keep picking.